Today I'm pulley swapping my lawnmower. I already did some work off camera. We upgraded the steering to handlebar, but more on that later. So now I'm gonna get the engine loose, then change this pulley to this pulley. Let's get started.
Big swings lead to big rings, championships or the big screen. Anyone who did anything took a big swing. And big dreams lead to big things, and big swings lead to big rings, championships or the big screen. Anyone who did anything took a big swing.
So the pulley is in place, sort of. Here is the original flip. You can kind of see it. Basically twice the size. Means I need a longer drive bolt, so I won't be able to finish it today. I thought I would be able to squeeze it like around and redo the tensioner, but turns out I can't. So that's not good. But I'm gonna get the new drive bolt and then we'll be back on track with it. I also replaced the bolt. I got kind of destroyed when the rear axle broke last fall. So that's where we're at now. I'm gonna cut to when I have a drive belt.
One eternity later.
So I have installed the engine, the belt, the new pulley, kind of. I hope it works. I'm gonna take this for a test drive now, so let's get this outside. So this was more than I expected in speed, because it's a very small increase in pulley diameter, but it made a huge difference. And we're gonna measure the top speed. I haven't measured with this engine with the original pulley, but with the previous engine I did 14 kilometers an hour. And so we're gonna measure that top speed now, and also I'm gonna need to adjust the clutch because it doesn't really stop, but that's like small imperfections, doesn't matter much. So I'm just gonna start where do I have that speedometer app, and see top speed. We can't show. I'm gonna hold here because it shows position.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Can I put this in the top yet? And drive a bit, and we're gonna see the top speed. Moment of truth. Do not film the screen because I'm gonna hold 23 kilometers an hour. I mean, I thought it would be even faster, but it's totally decent for a lawnmower with one single 5 centimeter brake disc. That doesn't even stop it completely. The only thing that's bad right now is that we lost a ton of torque because it's such a small engine. Like the displacement is just 125, I think, and we don't have a lot of torque. But I think it could be really fun to take driving some other places I have in mind, and great success. Great success.
Big swings lead to big rings, championships or the big screen. Anyone who did anything took a big swing. Big dreams lead to big things, big swings lead to big rings, championships or the big screen. Anyone who did anything took a big swing.